Hello, hello, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's Christmas season still, and it's day 2 of Archie's countdown to Christmas. So let's have a look in the little bag. Oh no, let's have a look at the red one first. See if I can actually get the shimmer showing for you, because there's the gorgeous. Can you see all the little glittery bits? They seem to have collected mostly around the edge, but that might be me using it wrong, so do not judge the paint, guys. Absolutely beautiful. There's like blues and golds in there along with the red paint. So, day 2. Let's pour this baby out and see if we can spot number 2. Shout it out. Oh, it's right there. That were an easy one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Put them all back in so we don't lose them, because I am a little bit untidy. Let's make sure they're all safe. There we go. Right, let's get in. Oh, look, sweet little candy swirls. So cute. So much thought goes into these. It's amazing, guys. Right, so this one is called Stargazing. So what colour do you think we're going to get? Do you think it's going to be a silvery colour or a deep blue colour like the actual night sky? What we're going to get? Let's see. Oh, it's a gorgeous lilac colour with silver glitter in it. That's awesome. Look at that. Right, let's give it some water. This one looks a little bit drier than yesterday's one. So I'll squiggle that about a bit just to make sure it activates properly. The gold, I had 2 golds I think and a silver last year that were absolutely amazing. And I used them on like highlighting on some of my other paintings. They're absolutely beautiful and so shiny. They were like really metallically shiny. Absolutely impressive. And I bought a surprise 6-pack in one of the sales that Archie's Paints ran as well. And I asked for a seaside spread and it was absolutely gorgeous. We definitely need to do some watercolour paintings to include that. Need to go and get some new pictures of the seaside, I think. Right, let's see what colour this is. Oh, it's got gold shimmer in it as well, I think. Trying to put the colours on pretty deeply so that you can get the colour pigment. Right, that spread much easier than the red one. And I can see so much glitter right now, both in the water that's swirling about in front of you and on the page. So let's see if you can spot it whilst it's still a little bit wet. Don't know if you can quite see it, but it looks amazing. I will of course give you a close-up on tomorrow's stream. Let me know what you think of this colour, Stargazing number 2. I like it so far. These are some lovely vivid colours. Can't wait to see what's coming out tomorrow for Nordic. Until then, find something that makes you smile, guys. And as always, be happy.